Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how to manage Palo Alto Firewall administrator account. When you deploy a Palo Alto Firewall in your production environment, you may not be the only one doing everything or managing everything in the Palo Alto Firewall. You may take 1 week off or you may not be there all the time. So you need to make sure that all the members in your administration team to have proper access to the firewall. There are multiple different ways you can maintain and manage administrator accounts in Palo Alto. Say, for example, if you have an LDAP server that maintains username and password for your members, you can use that one. Or if you have a Radius server that do the same thing, maintaining usernames and passwords for your administrators, you can use the Radius server. If you have a small shop that you do not maintain LDAP server or Radius server for authentication, you can use Palo Alto local database to maintain your administrator's username and password. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage Palo Alto local database to maintain administrators accounts, because if I cover all LDAP and Radius, it's going to be a long video. So this video only going to focus on how to manage administrators account in the Palo Alto local database. Here are the steps involved in the creation and management of Palo Alto administrators local database account. The first one is you need to create local database authentication profile, then create local user database accounts, and then you create administrator accounts and you apply the profile you created here to your administrator account. So I'm going to explain to you step by step in the Palo Alto Firewall. Let's go to the first step and create local database authentication profile. To do that, go to devices, then go to authentication profile, click add. Let's create the authentication profile. Give the name as local database. Under type, select local database, and we are not doing anything else here. So leave everything as default. Then go under advanced, under allow list, select all. Basically, this allow list entries allow you to select individual members of the local database if you wish to limit access to the firewall by specific administrator. When you select all, you basically allow any administrator account in the local database to access the firewall. That's what allow list all means. Then click OK. So now we have completed the first step, which is creating the local database authentication profile. Now we are going to go to the second step, that is create users under local user database. Add, I'm going to say admin John. I'm going to create password. I'm going to create another user here, admin Paul. So 2 admin users have been created. That completes the second step. Now I'm going to go into the third step, which is creating local administrator accounts. Click add. I'm going to put the same name here, admin John. Instead of putting the passwords here, which already have been defined under local user database and then under users, I'm going to select local database profile. That is the authentication profile I'm going to use. Admin John is going to be a super user, and I'm going to create the second one, admin Paul. I'm going to select same local database for authentication profile, super user. Now I'm going to commit the change. Commit has completed, close. I'm going to log out as a default admin. I'm going to log in back into admin John. Log out, admin John, and I'm going to put the password. Okay, now I am logged into as admin John. This is going to be same for another admin Paul also. Let's go to the monitor and system log. You have a log here under general information. User admin John logged in via web from this IP address. So this is how you create local admins under Palo Alto Firewall. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.